How to add a cover image to your Instagram Reels. So if you want to add a cover image to your Instagram Reels, then first of all open up your Instagram, and then you can simply go for the plus icon which is on the bottom middle, and here you can go for Reel option. Tap on Reel and then simply choose a photo or a video that you would like to add to your reel. And after choosing that, now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and here under your reel you will have edit cover option. You can simply tap on edit cover, and from here you can choose any part of the video to add as a cover to your reel. So you can simply choose any one of that, or you can also tap on add from camera roll if you want to add something from your camera roll to your video, but I'll be okay with this one. And after that you can simply tap on done, which is on the upper right side, and then you can add some caption and then tap on share, which is on the bottom right. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.